When I open my eyes, you were here again.
Hi, I'm Lara and my agency in Milano is The Lab Models. I come from Switzerland. Life in my hometown is really quiet and the city is small, but it's the best contrast to the model life because I can come home and relax and spend time with my family. I'm modeling for 2 years and since 1 year I'm modeling full-time. I was scouted when I was maybe 13 years old and then I continued school and when I finished I decided to do it. My favorite top models are like the classic one, Kate Moss, and I really like Rosie Huntington. 3 words to describe myself, I would say humane, empathic and happy. My best quality is probably my honesty. I love sports, so whenever I have time I try to work out, do fitness or go swimming. My favorite movie is maybe one with Audrey Hepburn, Breakfast at Tiffany's. And I like a lot of movies with Johnny Depp. Actress Jennifer Lawrence, I like her, and Audrey Hepburn, yes. Flat shoes for me because I'm already taller than everybody, so yeah. I like Fendi and Dolce & Gabbana, but I also like to go to Zara and I always find something there. In my free time I dress myself really casual, jeans with a shirt, leather jacket maybe, sneakers or yeah, most of all like this. Bye!